Hey, want to give you a quick review of the Revel 3.2 wetsuit by Bar A. I'm actually a diver who works inside of saltwater aquariums, large format saltwater aquariums. And so this is a regular for me. I wear this a couple times a week as I need to dive in these aquariums. I get about 90 minutes to 2 hours inside of this, inside of a 72-degree aquarium, and really can't feel the temperature change. As you can see, I'm about 180 pounds, 6 foot, and the large fits me super well. It's a good, solid, well-built wetsuit that I love, that can put up with my really regular use. It's got reinforced knee pads, which I really love because I'm constantly bending upon some metal grates, and so it hasn't ruined the wetsuit at all. Overall, I'd give this a 5 out of 5 stars. If you're looking for a good 3mm wetsuit, this is the way to go.